Okay, I'm back in Hesperia today. You can see a westbound, appears to be a Intermodal or Z train coming on main track 2. Beautiful day out finally. You can see there's still snow in those mountains out there, awful lot of it. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. I've got 97 as of this video. Just need three people. Hope you'll subscribe, leave a comment if you want, share it with your friends. I would appreciate it. I can see the end coming. This might be a Z train. It's hard for me to know. I don't have a radio or access to the website, so I just kind of guesstimate what these might be. There it goes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share it with your friends. See you on the next video.